So, yesterday I had like a surge of motivation and actually got up a little earlier this morning. But I think something shifted yesterday a little bit. So there's probably a total of 2.5 hours of visualization over the last 3 days. So not quite where I want to be, but the goal, my intention is to ramp it up as time goes on. But I woke up fairly early this morning. I would say probably the highest leverage activity I could do right now would be to not bring my phone into my room at night, so I can get some real sleep, and then keep going to sleep early. Or last night was probably around 2 a.m. Like, it's pretty standard for me. This morning, for some reason, I was able to get up at 8. 6 hours of sleep is not ideal, but it's better than some days. So hopefully, I can have a decent day. But I visualized for 30 minutes this morning after I woke up, then immediately went on to social media and just feel a lot of guilt and shame about that. It seems to be that I allow myself to celebrate when I'm feeling good, and celebration is addiction, and then I fall back. So I noticed this pattern over and over where I sort of get some energy and some motivation, and then I channel that into destructive behaviors. So that's the first trap to get over, I think, is like this sort of initial push that then quickly sort of deteriorates. But yesterday I was doing some cleaning in the garage, and I somehow found myself genuinely motivated for the first time in a long time to get organized and get cleaned up, and a sense of pull versus just forcing myself. Like, something I remember from when I was younger and healthier, the idea, just that feeling of I'm straightening up my life and it feels good. I think the positive feeling comes from the imagining the outcome, and so I think the visualization is helping with that, the ability to connect my action to positive outcome. And so I was able to finally sort of get a hit of that positive emotion related to doing some difficult, tedious cleaning up, organizing and cleaning. And so I would say probably I have things I need to do today, so I'll probably do another visualization session here in a little bit, just to try to visualize the best use of my time today. Visualization sessions so far have been kind of like imagining best possible outcome for my life in general, the life of my family, and just a broad sort of selection of different things, different categories of different interests and goals and things. And so I also think that visualization is useful for planning your day. So in the morning, maybe a visualization for the day coupled with visualization for life in general. I think that probably makes sense. I'm just kind of, probably at some point I will get a little bit more maybe I'll try to have a more I don't know, sort of a specific plan for my visualizations, but a strategy. But at this point, I'm just sort of visualizing what I want, basically, where I need to get in my life, and we'll see how that goes. So far, it's been 3, 4. Is this the fourth day? I think this is no. Yeah, this is the fourth day. But I skipped yesterday, I guess. But it's okay. Yesterday I did do a quick mood visualization, and I was able to do some cleaning, as I mentioned. So that was yesterday, and today I described as well. So just off to a slow start, but I think a slow start's probably not a bad thing. I'm long past the days where I would get a surge of, enthusiasm for new stuff. I just think I'll just kind of hope that I can keep plodding along.